Yes, no, ma'am, you are muted.
Okay, where have you seen poster in your daily life? Okay, fine. Others are your homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask me tomorrow. Now listen, we have seen poster on so many places like public places, railway station, bus stand. Okay, we'll discuss the questions tomorrow. Is it okay? और कहाँ कहाँ पोस्टर होते हैं? ठीक है. Yes. Now write down the meaning, everyone. A poster. A poster is a kind of notice or advertisement. It's kind of ad also, or it is a large notice also. Saksham क्या हो गया बेटा? A poster is a large notice or advertisement. It generally creates. Now please silence बेटा. It generally creates social awareness. I know, you can add this thing also. It generally creates social awareness. For example, if you want to make poster on COVID precautions, so it is generally creates social awareness. Devang, I think you should look at board only. A poster is a large notice or advertisement. It is either notice or advertisement. You know that what is advertisement? Like Raghav said कि movies की poster लगे होते हैं, that is advertisement. Okay? So it generally creates social awareness about a problem. It conveys a message. It conveys a message in an eye-catching way. If your poster is boring, no one will be interested to read that. People will generally, I think, pass by. But if your poster is very attractive, everyone will stop to just see your notice or this poster, what you have written in that. So try to make your poster in a very attractive way. It conveys a message in eye-catching way. Now there is no particular format of poster writing. No doubt you can follow one format, but actually there is no format. It is your creativity how you will sequence the information. अगर आपको COVID, Madhav, you are disturbing the class. अगर आपको पानी पीना है तो बाहर जाके पियो बेटा. So there is no particular format. Still, I will give you some tips how to write poster, but there is no particular format. आप उसको bullets form में भी लिख सकते हैं information को. You can draw pictures also. You can make some clouds also. उसमें थोड़ी सी details दे दो. It is your creativity. ठीक है? So don't waste much time on picture in exam, especially. You can draw picture whenever you get time. Picture की जगह छोड़ के complete your exam, then in the end you can draw picture. और simply stick figures भी आप draw कर सकते हो in this form. जैसे हमारी stick figures होती हैं. No need to make actual boy or girl. You can make stick figures also. ठीक है? That's why I'm saying you can draw stick figures. ठीक है? मिल जाएंगे marks. So this is the meaning of poster. Have you written it? Now next one, please. Main features of poster. Main features. The first and the most important feature is it should be visually, that is the part of format. Features means it should be visually attractive. Yes, it should be visually attractive. देखने में attractive होना चाहिए. If your art is not good, that doesn't mean that you won't get marks in poster. I think you can make the simple clouds and you can write information easily. So visually attractive. Second one is eye-catching heading should be there. Another feature is use of slogans. One or two, maximum two. Now don't use too many slogans. Try to make one slogan, but it should be very attractive. Don't fill your poster with slogans only. Maximum two can be used, but I think one is more than enough. One both hai. Slogan is compulsory. It is having marks. 1 mark to मिल जाएगा slogan को. Yes. Saying means proverbs. Like I use this proverb so many times, time and tide wait for none. Don't judge the book by its cover. These type of things. Now next one is you can draw sketch or simple drawings. You can draw sketch or simple drawings. If you want to make your poster attractive, you can use different sizes of letters. किसी को capital letters में bold कर दो और जो extra information है that is not much relevant, जैसे contact details उसको छोटा सा लिख दो, ठीक है? So different type of letters, different size of letters can be used. किसी भी topic पे बताओ. It can be ad, it can be social message. ये भी हो सकता है for girls that you have recently opened your boutique, so you can make poster, ठीक है? And boys also, they can make advertisement. Yes. ये game zone कौन बोला है? All the time same thing. चलो boys game zone खोल रहे हैं, ठीक है? हाँ जी बेटा. कलर कर दो तो और अच्छा लगेगा, बट पेंसिल से भी चल रहा है. Word limit generally 50, but you can make 60 also. It depends on your content question. So these were the main features of the poster. Now, as I told you, there is no fixed format, but your format should include a few things I'm going to write. Format fixed नहीं है, पर किसी भी shape में, किसी भी form में, you have to include these points. जो बेटा मेरे वाले में कवर नहीं होगा उसको ऐड कर देना, ठीक है? नीटनेस और आपने ये जो मैं लिखने लगी हूँ, whether you have included or not, these things, these are compulsory to include. I am going to write it one by one. Fifth, 6th point done. So the first thing is title or heading. Suppose I have given you one, suppose poster, eco-friendly Diwali. So you can make one title, say no to crackers or any. You can make one title there. Title or heading according to the question. चलो अगर एक भी मान गया तो आपका पोस्टर लिखा हुआ आई थिंक सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगा, अगर एक भी मान गया. Few words बेटा, 3-4 words, 4-5 words, ठीक है? Title or heading. Yes. Your poster must include slogan. Say no to crackers and yes to life. Say no to crackers and yes to life. That can be your slogan, or heading you can simply make Happy Diwali. Okay? Next one. Suppose if you are making advertisement, then special attractions you can write. For example, आप अपनी shop की ad कर रहे हो, then you can write special attraction that 50% discount, buy one get one free. These type of special attraction can be mentioned. In case of advertisement or event. In case of advertisement or event only, you can write special attractions. Suppose there is one event. Tell me one event, please. Diwali celebration. What will be the special attraction there? Okay. Eco-friendly crackers. Free food for all. Free food for all, और क्या हो सकता है? गेम्स, आई थिंक गेम्स भी हो सकती है. यस, so these are the special attractions. Your poster must have illustrations. चाहे सिंपल ड्राइंग करो, करनी जरूर है. Yes. Yes, beta. Your poster should have one picture, pictorial representation. Sonam. एक प्लेट बना दो, स्पून्स बना दो, तो डाइन इन हो जाएगा वो. कौन सा? वो बेटा फॉर्मेट में ऐड करूंगी. For example, you can make drop of water if you are writing conservation of water. I think अब drop of water तो सबसे बन जाएगी अगर ड्राइंग नहीं भी अच्छी. ठीक है. Drop of blood in case of blood donation camp. Drop of blood. These are just examples. Fifth and very important thing is date, time, and venue. In case of event, what is venue? Yes. Date, time, venue. Again, in case of event, if you are making poster on eco-friendly Diwali, obviously you won't write date, time, venue. This is just awareness message. But if there is one event, then obviously you will write date, time, venue. अभी कोई भी नहीं है बेटा. I'll give you topic. Last thing is name of issuing authority. ये पोस्टर किसने भेजा है, किसने बनवाया है, name of that thing. Yes. Name of issuing authority. And their contact details. And contact details. So issuing authority is the institution or group of members who issue that notice or poster. Contact details. So that is your format. Your format should have these things. 6 points are there. सबका 1-1 mark लगा लो. अगर 6 mark में आए तो you will get it. Paper. 5 में से 6 कैसे मिलेंगे बेटा? Okay, last point, please put in a box. Put in a box, please. इतनी देर नहीं होती बेटा. Now sample format. What is going on? क्या डिस्कशन चल रही कार पे? क्या Now sample format. This is optional. If you don't want to draw it on your fair, then don't draw it. I'm just giving you sample. First of all, draw a box. Here you can write heading. In capital letter, try to write slogan, and in bold letters also. थोड़ा dark कर देना इसको. No. Picture को कर सकते हो बेटा. As I told you, you can draw some this type of pattern here, and you can write information 1 here and information 2 here. Information 1 इस side पे लिख दो, 2 इस side पे. Then you can use bullet forms also. You can use this form also. These are just examples. You can write in bullet forms, in this form. अभी मत draw करो, ये sample है बेटा, don't draw it. Just a sample बेटा. Then you can draw picture on one side, and at the end, suppose this is your poster, at the end draw one more line, and here you can write issuing authority. I think कर देना, थोड़ा highlight हो जाएगा issuing authority. Information. You can give some information important here and other on that side. Center में एक side पे picture, on one side bullet forms में important points. For example, COVID precaution poster is there. Here you can write wear mask, maintain social distancing. Here use sanitizer, avoid going to public places. यहाँ पे हो गए. और center में भी आप कुछ do's and don'ts लिख सकते हो. फोटो बनानी. सेंटर में मीन्स थोड़ी साइड करके यहाँ पे फोटो बनानी. इशूइंग अथॉरिटी. At the end, draw one line and write down issuing authority. Details right side में. किसकी contact details? Is it clear, online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Jasmine, Veronica, okay. Vaibhav, what about you? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone, this is your question, please. Note down. Your club. What is the meaning of fair? Okay. पेन को चल पेपर में डाल के now draw one box. Don't draw the bottom line, side and top line, please. First of all, give heading. Happy Diwali. But I think say no to eco-friendly Diwali hoti, then it was right. Say no to crackers. First of all, draw it on rough. Then give me ideas. Then I'll discuss your ideas here. ऐसे crackers बना देना.